Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Actually, you guys liked the last plus size workout I did for beginners. The last video I did, you guys really enjoyed it, so I thought to make another one this time. I wanted to do a 15-minute beginner workout for plus size women. This workout is not meant to lose weight. It's actually meant to just help you get used to moving, breathing, kind of get used to being uncomfortable. So that is exactly what this workout is for, and I do it myself. So let's go ahead and get started. At the very beginning of my workout, to get my heart rate going, I do at least 25 jumping jacks. This helps get my workout, get myself in workout mode, gets my breathing up, my heart rate going up, so that my body can feel like it's actually doing a big workout, which it is. But the goal of the entire workout is to get everything done within 15 minutes or less. So the next exercise I do are squats. So I do 20 squats this way and then 20 lunges on each leg. And this is also something that keeps my heart rate up. And I'm trying to get rid of my bus driver booty, so I have to incorporate these. So the goal again is to do all of these exercises at least 15 minutes or under, including any breathing breaks that you may need. And that trying to continue to do that alone keeps you in exercise mode, keeps your heart rate up, and do a little cardiovascular as well as toning. So yeah, so now I'm going into my lunge squats, and I do 20 on each leg, and then for a quick breather. So this is the time that I have left. Looks like it's just about 9 minutes. And next I'm going to do at least 15 push-ups. Now I have 0 to very little upper body strength, so these push-ups were a real struggle for me. So I do the I guess I could have shown you guys from the side, but I do the modified push-ups where I'm on my knees and I have my feet up and off of the ground, and I am doing the modified push-up that way instead of being on my toes. Girl, I had to take a break. I'm not gonna lie, I am not a beast at push-ups. I'm not a beast at a lot of these things. I actually ate right before this workout, so I was really fighting nausea because I just usually don't like to eat on a full stomach. But yeah, I made it through the 15, so that's all that matters. So next I'm going to do at least 20 leg raises. So these I actually just place my hand under my butt and then kind of use that for a little bit of leverage as I am doing the leg raises. And I try as much as possible to keep my legs straight and use my lower abs, what's there at least. So next and final workout on the list is at least 50 crunches. So I do 25 with my legs bent and up, and then 25 with my legs straight, which are supposed to be together. But like I said, I eaten earlier and was really fighting being nauseous and just getting through this workout. So the total time I finished was a little over 16 minutes, which I am very okay with because, girl, like I said, nauseous. But yeah, this is exactly what you can do right at home, in your bedroom, in your living room, wherever. It's just a great beginner's workout for plus size women. I don't know modified workout version workouts for women with bad knees when it comes to squats. So if you do have suggestions, please leave that in the comments below. But outside of that, I hope you guys enjoyed this. As you see, I did, accumulate a little bit of sweat. Your girl is tired. But yeah, this is the latest workout video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you in the comments. Bye.